Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian salad dressing. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients. Start with about 3 tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise, a teaspoon of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Also, have ready 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and a dash of black pepper. Make sure everything is at room temperature. This helps achieve a smoother consistency when mixing. Now let's get mixing. In a small bowl, combine your 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise with the 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Using a small whisk or fork, mix these ingredients together really well. You want to achieve a smooth, creamy base with no lumps, ensuring all the flavors are evenly distributed. The next step is crucial for that signature tang. Slowly pour in your 1 tablespoon of white vinegar while continuously whisking. This helps emulsify the dressing and prevents it from separating. Once combined, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning. Feel free to add a little more sugar for sweetness or salt for balance, according to your preference. To truly let the flavors meld, cover your dressing and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This cooling period makes a big difference in taste and consistency. Once chilled, your delicious homemade Nigerian salad dressing is ready to be generously drizzled over your favorite fresh salads. And hey, while you're checking out the description for other great deals, you'll also find a link for some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.